Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to pay with Apple Cash on Amazon. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your Apple Wallet and selecting your Apple Cash card. Tap the three dots in the top corner, then tap Card Number. Use Face ID to unlock the card details. Once unlocked, you will see your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. Now go to Amazon. Tap your profile picture at the bottom. Then tap Your Account. Scroll down to the Payments section and tap Your Payments. At the top, next to Cards and Accounts, tap the plus icon to add a new payment method. Select Add a credit or debit card. Next, enter your Apple Cash card details exactly as shown in the Apple Wallet. Type in the card number, expiration date, and security code. Then tap Add and Continue to save the card to your Amazon account. Once added, your Apple Cash card can now be used as a payment method when checking out on Amazon. Even though Apple Cash is not directly supported, entering your virtual card info allows you to use the funds stored in your Apple Cash balance. So that's basically how you can pay with Apple Cash on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.